This is a walkthrough for the second part of homework 3, which is the SAMStagram 2.0 problem. It's very similar to SAMStagram from the first homework, except this time you can actually do stuff. So basically on the home page, you can see that it's asking for an image URL and for a caption. I'm going to come here and I'm going to get more pictures of ducks. So we're going to copy the image address. I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to say this is an awesome duck. Then I'm going to click post. And you see that it showed up right here. And it has a little X mark. And when you click on the X mark, it runs away. And so if I put it back, and let's put like a bunch of lorem text just to show that it's like longer, then I can come here and you'll see that it overflows. And now it scrolls when it overflows. So there's a height that's automatically set for this in CSS. And so it looks really good every time. And if I add a bunch of these images, let's actually add a different image of a duck. If I come in here and I put, again, a pretty long caption, these are all going to be the same exact height, but the overflow will just scroll. So over here, see all three of these are the same height, but you can scroll because there's some overflow in the Y direction. And then, like I said, there's this X button here, and when you hover over it, there's a cursor, and when you click X, the one that you click on is removed. And so that is the walkthrough for this page. Now you'll see on the top right, there's a profile button. This is just purple because I've clicked on it before, but it should be white by default. And then when you click on profile, it brings you to this page. By default, it has the name Andrew Carnegie, it has a photo of Andrew Carnegie, and it has the same bio from homework 1 on the resume. But then down here, it has edit profile. So I can come in here and let's get a different picture of Andrew Carnegie. I like this one. He's very pensive in this one. So I can copy the image address. I can put that under image URL. And then, oh, that's actually not a proper URL. So copy image address. Okay, perfect. And then under name, I'm going to do Carnegie, Andrew, just to change it up. And then under bio, I'm going to say he was very rich, exclamation point. Then when I click save, it actually goes into the HTML, using JavaScript, of course. It'll go into the HTML and update this profile such that it has this information now. Of course, when I refresh, it goes back to normal because we're not actually using a backend here, but we're just practicing changing HTML using JavaScript. When I click back to the news feed, I can also add pictures of Andrew Carnegie. My name is Andrew. Click post, and we see that this is here. And I'll do that a bunch of times. And one more time. And here we are. We can scroll, X, X, X.